Hey guys, what's up? This is me again, the Nocturnal Foodie, back for another unboxing video. So, meron naman tayong special guest dito. I'm not saying it's a person, but rather an item that I just bought for a discounted price of a whooping 50% off just today from Nike Glorieta. Because I've been looking for basketball shoes that I can use para magbalik loob sa papawis. So maglalaro ulit tayo ng basketball. Is sa mga sports na talagang nilaro natin mula pagkabata. So ayun, tara. Huwag na nating patagalin. I-unbox natin kasabay kayo. So we have here, as you may know, the Nike paper bag. And ito na. I-unbox na natin. Let's pull out this bad boy right here. And so yun. So guys, we have here the Nike Kobe 9 Elite Pro Tro. So ito guys, as you can see. So this is the Masterpiece colorway, but the official colorway name is Black Metallic Silver or Argent Metallic. So this is size 8. Obviously, it's my size. And tara, unbox na natin. Siyempre. Alright. And the papers. And this is how it looks like when you open it. So this might be late obviously dahil tagal lang na-release itong Masterpiece colorway. Pero syempre dahil naka-sale siya, ginrab natin siya. Sino ba naman ang hindi mag-grab ng 50% off guys? Para sa isang Kobe line, right? So ayun, hindi na natin patagalin, lawas na natin. So, this is the Kobe 9 Elite High Pro Tro Masterpiece. Ano masasabi nyo guys? These are the sides. Alright. This is the outsole. So I believe this guys is one of the best basketball sneakers that offers the best traction. Though habang pinipili ko siya, I think malambot siya compared sa mga ibang outsoles ng basketball sneakers. But let's see how it goes when I use it on court. So yeah, this is a very high top sneaker. So it's consists of a flying upper. So itong specific silhouette na to, this is the first basketball sneaker that used the flying upper from Nike. So very lightweight siya, at the same time supportive and breathable siya. Multicolor pattern as you can see guys. Medial side, very minimalist lang yung kanyang right side of this pair. This sneaker. So yeah. So we have here the sheet logo, the Mamba logo. It's like in neon green with signature red signature Kobe signature. Then we have here 9 stitches na symbolizes tahi nung nagkaroon si Kobe ng Achilles tear before his career ended. Very nostalgic tong pair na to guys. It's one of the colorways that I really like for this particular silhouette. Kasi ito yung unang-unang nilabas na colorway. Parang ito yung may Nike ad na kung saan nagpa-practice shooting si Kobe noon, tapos ito yung suot niya. Sobrang angas nito, guys. Very nostalgic for me. So yun, as mentioned earlier, this has a very high top. This is a very high top sneaker that offers support up until above ankle, as you can see here. Sobrang taas niya. Meron din siyang KB9 here at the top of the stitches. So yeah. So ang kanyang tongue, very breathable din. Mesh pattern din siya. Ito sa may bandang loob. And what else do we have here? Yeah, as mentioned, the great outsole pattern that is that offers great traction, as reviewers say. So I'm very excited to use this on court starting tomorrow. I have scheduled a papawi session with my friend. So let's see how it goes. And ano pa ba? Yeah, carbon fiber heel counter for better lockdown and support. So para pag may lateral movements ka na medyo, medyo mabilis at medyo malakas ang pressure, supported yung medial sides mo nito. Yeah. So what's good about this is since this is a Pro Throw, they upgraded something. And then we say upgrade, meron silang binago dito. So ang dubbing nila sa Pro Throw is Performance Retro. So hindi lang siya basically just a regular retro, but instead they upgraded something for the performance part of the sneakers para makasabay siya dun sa mga bagong basketball sneakers. So pakita ko sa inyo yung drop-in insole nito. Kaya pala hindi siya matanggal, meron pa siyang paper dito. So, yan, very cushy. Wala lang, drop-in midsole. And, wow. So, ito siya, guys. Oh. So, this is a React. As you can see here. This is a React drop-in midsole. That's very, cushiony. Yeah, so may heel. So, may nakalagay siya dito, 8B. I think this is the size. Yeah, so, very excited to wear this. And I'm looking forward for doing another video for the performance review, hopefully soon. Sunod tayo. Yan. So, what else? Yeah. Obviously, this is the left side. This is what I tested earlier habang nasa store, since this is actually the last pair that I on display. Gusto ko man ng new stock, wala na tayong magagawa dahil naka 50% off na siya. So, ginrab ko na siya. So, this retails for 12,495. What I like about basketball sneakers nowadays is yung size ko. Since I have a small feet, so basically hindi lahat ng sneakers, especially sa Kobe's, mabilis mag-sold out, just like this one. So it goes to show na nakakakapwa ako ng mga gusto kong sneakers. This one, for a very steal price pa with 50% off. So this was originally priced at 12,495, but I only got this for 6,247.50. And in-installment ko pa siya for 3 months para hindi ganun kabigat. So yeah, kasi naghanap na ako ng parang papawis sneaker kasi gusto ko maglaro kasi wala akong magawa lagi, especially during the weekdays. So I decided to buy one na syempre hindi ko na kailangan gumastos ng malaki kasi bihira lang din naman ako maglaro. Hindi ko nga sure kung magagamit ko to lagi, especially this looks like just boxing shoes. So parang hirap din siyang ipang forma. So most definitely I will just use this on court and let's see kung babagay din sa mga sa casual use or panggala. Let's see. Hopefully mag-blend naman sa ating mga damit sa closet. So yun lang guys, and I think that's it. I just wanted to show you, even though alam ko nakita niyo na to somewhere sa ibang YouTube videos, but yeah, I'm just glad and I just wanted to share it with you. Oh, and by the way, we have here, this is iconic. So we have the masterpiece patch here with Kobe's signature as well. Yeah, and I hope you can see it. And yeah, that's pretty much what's inside the sneakers. And the drop-in midsole that I'm going to put back. I'm very excited for this sneaker, and then I'm going to share you a performance review if I have time, right? So yun lang guys, thank you for watching. So if you like this video, don't forget to like or to subscribe to this video as well, and like or unlike nyo para saka mag-drop din kayo ng comments para alam ko kung saan natin mas pwedeng i-improve yung mga vlogs natin. Kasi I'm just a starting vlogger, hoping to get more views, hoping to basically get more engagements, and it would be really awesome if you could share some of your thoughts and comments about this the videos I'm creating for you guys para mas ma-improve natin, especially that I'm the only one doing this and I'm the one editing the videos as well. So yun lang guys, again, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my socials that I'm going to drop on the description of this video para maging affiliate na din tayo ng ibang, para maging affiliate marketer na rin tayo. So thank you guys for watching. Peace and Mamba out.